What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My mate Dougy's dropped his Corolla off to me. He's had a few issues with the rear end, a bit of axle tramp and jumping around a little bit ever since he's put his new rear end set up in. What we're going to do is put some GoPros underneath, get some cool shots. Also hopefully we can use it to assess what's actually going on underneath there. He's tried a few different things, it's not really working out so far, but a bit of an excuse to do a cool video edit if we can as well. We'll have to wait and see how we go when we get down there. It's a bit of a secret location, but we should be fine. All right, I'm under the car. I reckon I found a pretty good spot up here. Bit of a wipe down before I put the sticky on. That way, hopefully I won't lose a GoPro. I reckon about there. Hopefully I don't crack a boner, otherwise I won't be able to get out of here. Found a nice spot. That's what it will hopefully see. And hopefully it doesn't get flicked off and squashed by a wheel. There we are, on our way over to our secret spot. We made it down here, cool little spot, private location of course, we do have permission to be here. Dougy's going to get the car off. We're going to go do a bit of a B-roll style, cool little edit I think as well. Maybe even a test skid over on the spot over there. We'll see what happens.
Did I pull that fucking thing off the trailer?
What thing?
The stop it tilting.
Where?
There's like a little split pin.
You did not. Do you want me to pull this out? Stand on the back. Was this from last time you've been here, Dougy?
No, not at all.
No, not the right stud pattern, is it?
It actually is.
Oh, it actually is. Oh, okay. Do you want me to grab them? Spare wheels. All right, the drone's doing its thing.
PCH is a little different. The sunset on the PCH is a little different. The sunset on the PCH is a little different.
All right, that about wraps it up. I'll drop a link to the edit in the description below, hopefully, or I'll put a link in here somewhere. As you can see, we've still got the wavy issue. I'm gonna try and go back over that footage. Hopefully it sheds some light on what's actually happening under there, and hopefully you can get it sorted out for the next event.